am not going in this today.
I brought my sister backpacking on her first backpacking trip. We ended up at Sawyer Pond in the White Mountains in New Hampshire. We did a lot of firsts. Let's see if she survives. Hi, this is Bev from Adventure Seeking, and this is the trial run my sister has before she joins me at Pictured Rocks. First, I had to show her how to adjust her own pack, so I wouldn't have to show her every time she picked it up. So feel tight, stand up straight, and now your backpack should be in the right place. How do you feel?
It's
going to be hitting your head.
feel it's loose here.
All right, then pull it forward.
This?
Yeah, pull on them. You got it. You're fully stacked and attacked.
All right, wait.
The fire log is because our campsite is picked clean from firewood. Ask me how I know. After a brief water crossing of the Swift River, we were on our way.
I figured it out.
What?
Just what I needed in my bougie cup.
How does it work? Nice. So how you doing?
I'm hanging in there.
Stretching. We just came up a lot of elevation, and
I'm walking like crazy.
we still have a little bit of elevation to go. We believe that this hike is 2,000 feet of elevation, and we're at 1,500. We just took a break, so we're doing pretty good. My sister, she's doing pretty good for her first backpacking trip. She has been training for how many months? 2 months on her treadmill. But you know how treadmills have a workout when it moves up and down and stuff? That's what she's been doing. So because of that, we're able to go uphill in the White Mountains. And yes, I'm still hanging on to the fire log. Looks like we're here. And yes, we had to walk across that. My sister did better than I did because that rock moved. I didn't fall, but it moved. Awesome. Oh, she's ready to go. Okay, we made it to Sawyer Pond, like you saw, and we're so bougie. We brought a fire log, of course, there it is, and we got the shelter. And we are being those people putting our tents up inside because it's gonna rain and there's bugs. And we were here first. So yeah, we're totally that person. But we are here and it's awesome. My sister was having a hard time with her feet, but I think once we got to the campsite and she got to rest, we were able to recuperate, should we say. So yeah, we've got our chairs here, see? I got my Nemo Moonlight Elite and she's got my SUV RVing chair. She carried it in, so she deserves to sit in it, and we're having a good time. And yes, she did bring her Stanley. You see it? This is her first time camping, and you saw what she got to do to carry it. So ingenious. You can tell we come from the same mother. Morning. It pretty much rained all night. As soon as we got in our pajamas and laid down, it started sprinkling a little, and then it stopped and sprinkled a little, but then it really came down like around like 11 or midnight or so, and it rained and rained and rained and rained. It rained a lot. I was lucky to be in this shelter last night. It's awesome. Plus, yes, did I mention the view? Yes, it's freaking beautiful. And there's some, some mist coming up all along the thing, pond. And we're thinking maybe like a river or something must be up there. That's, the water is drying off of and being risen. Cool. Around Owl's Cliff right here, it was all this, when we woke up, it was like there was like a ring around it. It was kind of cool. But yeah, this is a great place to wake up. Highly recommended. Yeah, I'm hanging all my stuff up. Everything's up. Even my food bag got soaked, obviously because it was out in the rain, but everything is like up. And yep, the Durston tent fits right in the corner. Thank you, Dan Durston. What a beautiful tent. I still love it. It's the second time I've used it and it's very good. I love it. Enough room for me and my stuff. My sister used my 6 Moon Designs, I think it's called the Scout. It's kind of hard to set a trekking pole tent up in a shelter, but we used rocks, so I don't know if you can see. We got it done. We had to do what we had to do, but we did it. And the wind just picked up and threw a whole bunch of rain down on the shelter. I thought it was raining again, but I didn't turn the camera on time, but it was cool to watch. Okay. Sounds like the coffee is brewing, so I gotta get to breakfast. With weather threatening, we packed up and bidded a farewell to the Sawyer Pond shelter. We were so grateful that you were available for us to spend the night in and not get soaked. Ooh, it's moving in, and it might be raining. We're gonna get our morning shower, whether we like it or not. There's like a rock stuck right in there. Mm-hmm. Whoa! It's like a spider.
Yeah, it looks like an octopusy.
One last stop to refill our water bottles at the best water source on this whole trip. The water was so cold from this creek. Let's see how this sucker tastes. It says, "Get in my belly, PB and jelly."
Like, I am not going in this today.
Woohoo! Wow, look how bright the green is. It's probably not coming through. It's probably not coming through the camera, but it's really, really bright. Whoa! When did that happen? There's a blue jay saying hi. Whoa, look at that shadow. Awesome. It's deep right here too.
It actually felt pretty good.
Yeah, right? All in all, it was a good trip for my sister and I, and you'll be seeing her in Pictured Rocks in August. If you want to check out another series of mine, the Monadnock Sunapee Greenway, check out the playlist on the left or the 10 Essentials on the playlist to the right. Until next time, see you on the trail.